All right, with 10b here, we've got basically the same problem as 10a, and the only thing we're doing is adding a while loop because we want to check for more than one customer, and that is up to you however many people are going to come through that day, and you're going to display for each person their projected monthly balances. So you'll notice that the pseudocode from 10a looks a little bit different, and it's only because of this line and these two lines and this one. So it's that while loop, and of course at the end of the while loop we need to also ask for the account number again. Otherwise everything is basically the same, and that's how the code looks. We'll go over to the flow chart here and kind of start at the beginning. We've got the same variables. We ask for the account number. In 10a, if you're unfamiliar with this problem, then I would encourage you to watch 10a. But in that one, we would go straight from here to asking the rest of the information, but instead this time we're going to have this while loop right here. So if the account number is 0, we can exit. And now we can check for many different people. But we're going to ask for all their information there, and we're going to output their account number and name to start, and then we're going to go into this for loop here to display all of their projected monthly balances up to 14 months, and of course the book is going to have something different than 14, so make that correction. And we'll have that same if statement, if else statement, and we'll keep going around that loop, and then once it ends, we in 10a would have a stop here, but we're going to ask for the account number again so we can circle back around and check on a new person or stop. So just going to look the pseudocode over, and it's not too difficult if you have a grasp on 10a, but I'll go ahead and run this problem for you real fast here, or this program. And so we'll have an account number, first and last name, balance at 90, and this person is going through all 14 months. Each month we add on that interest, and each month they make a payment of 7% of the current balance. And at the end they still have a balance greater than 25, so we're just going to say your balance is because you still have one. And now we're going to be able to check for a new person. Typically with 10a you would have in program here, but we have an option to check for another person and their first and last name. We'll say this person has maybe 36, and they're only going to go to 7 months because at the end of that, when they make a payment that month, it's going to go 25 or below. So they're going to just, final payment is this, and they're going to pay it off, and we're going to be done with that. So sentinel value and program. So it's not that difficult, not too many changes from 10a. You'll just notice this line. So like in the code up here too, you could take out this line, these two lines here, and this, and pretty much have 10a. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.